and small, scary and tall. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
They were everywhere, they just didn't care. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Some ate meat, while others ate trees. Dinosaurs. There was a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Stegosaurus too, a Brontosaurus, Diplodocus, just to name a few. Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Anaporus, Morus, Vorus, Norus, Boris, and a Tuatara too. In the days of old, on the land they roamed. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Big and small, scary and tall. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
They were everywhere, they just didn't care. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
Some ate meat, while others ate trees. Dinosaurs. There was a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a Stegosaurus too, a Brontosaurus, Diplodocus, just to name a few. Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Anaporus, and a Tuatara too.